Crochet the apple for the capybara's head. First, wrap the yarn, then form a loop. Then pass through this loop. Yarn over and pull through. Crochet 1 chain. Then go back into this loop. In the other loop, pull up a loop. Pull up a loop. This forms a single crochet. The 2 strands of thief shape next to it. These 2 strands are the stitches of this single crochet, also the first stitch. Place a stitch marker on these 2 strands, then continue inside this loop. Hold both strands with this hand. Six single crochets. After finishing, tighten this loop. Tightening it forms a circle. Then insert into the marked stitches. Slip stitches. Pull through first, then pull this strand through this one. After pulling through, a slip stitch is formed here. Enlarge this loop. There are 2 strands here. One strand controls the yarn in the other hand, and the back strand controls this sieve. Pull hard, okay. This sieve becomes very, very small because the slip stitches does not count as a stitch. Tighten the loop a bit, then 1 chain. Still in the marked stitches from earlier. Pull up a loop, 1 single crochet. You can see there are 2 stitches here. Use the top stitch. This one is the chain from earlier. This one also doesn't count as a stitch. Continue in this same stitch from earlier. Crochet another single crochet. That's a single crochet increase. Continue with increases. 6 sets in total. You can count the stitches. Each of shape is a stitch. 2 strands. This row has 12 stitches in total. Slip stitches to the first stitch. Pull tight, 1 chain. Then, still in the slip stitches from earlier, i.e., the marked stitches, crochet a single crochet. Place a marker. Next stitch. Crochet an increase. First crochet a single crochet. Then in the next stitch, a single crochet increases. This is the first set. 6 sets in total. This is the second set. After this row, there are 18 stitches. You can count them. Slip stitches to the first stitch. When slip stitching, pull the back stranded tight. Pull this loop. Tighten it a bit. 1 chain. After chaining, still the first stitch. Crochet a single crochet. The pattern for this row is to crochet 1 single crochet in every stitch. 18 single crochets in total. Count as you crochet. After counting to 18, slip stitch to the first stitch. Then slip stitches over. Pull tight. Then crochet 1 chain. This is the 4th round. The 5th round is the same. Crochet 18 single crochets. After finishing, slip stitches to the first stitch. Then 1 chain. Continue to the 6th round. In the first stitch, crochet a single crochet. First crochet a single crochet. In the next stitch, crochet a decrease. Insert directly. Leave it here for now, then insert into the next stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop. There are 3 loops on the hook. Pull through all 3 at once. This combines these 2 stitches into 1 stitch. That's a decrease. This stitch is already worked, so this is the next stitch. Continue. This is the first set. After the single crochet, continued with a decrease. This is the second set. Third set, 6 sets in total. After 6 sets, slip stitch to the first stitch. One chain. This is the last row. Then take out the fiber fill. Start stuffing. Don't stuff it to full yet. Last row. Crochets all single crochets. While crocheting, use this hand to hold the fiber fill in place. First stitch. Second. This is 1 decrease. 6 decreases in total. After finishing, you've reached the first stitch here. First, lengthen the loop. If not stuffed enough, you can add more. Slip stitches to the marked stitch first stitch. After slip stitching, just lengthen the loop. Don't sew this closed. We'll sew it onto the main body later. Then take out the green yarn. Wrap it and make a knot. After knotting, pull it through. Crochet 7 chains. Seven chains. After finishing, go back to the second chain. The one on the hook doesn't count. For the next 2 strands, this is the first stitch, then below here. These 2 strands are the second stitches. Insert into the stitches, then crochet, like this. Insert into the top strand. Yarn over and pull up a loop. First crochet a single crochet, then yarn over. Insert into the next stitch here. Pull up a loop on the hook. There are 3 loops. Yarn over and pull through all 3 at once. This is a half double crochet. Yarn over again. Into the next stitch, insert the hook. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Here, don't pull through all at once. First pull through the first 2 loops. Then yarn over. Pull through the remaining 2 loops. This is a double crochet. Here, yarn over. Next stitch, crochet another double crochet. So 2 double crochets. After 2 double crochets, yarn over, next stitch. A half double crochet. Pull through all at once. 1 last stitch left. There is still a stitch here. Crochet 3 single crochets. Crochet 3 in this 1 stitch. After finishing, move to the other side. Pay attention. First, yarn over, find the next stitch. It's still quite clear. In this hole, we just crocheted 3 single crochets. This stitch corresponds to this strand, and this strand indicates the next stitch. Crochet into it. After yarning over, insert, yarn over and pull up a loop. Crochet a half double crochet. Pull through all at once. After pulling through, this is the next one. Yarn over. Next stitch, insert, pull up a loop, crochet a double crochet. Continue to the next stitch. Crochet a double crochet. 2 double crochets. After finishing, yarn over, next stitch. Crochet a half double crochet. After the half double crochet, finally, in here, crochet a single crochet. After finishing, go to this side here. Make a slip stitch. After slip stitching, crochet for chains. Then fasten off. Pull tight. After pulling tight, leave a small tail here. Weave in this yarn end. First thread it onto the needle. Pick up the middle to weave the yarn through. Pick it up like this, but only through half, not pulling it all the way out from here. Weave the yarn ends, then insert. Pull through. Cut. This is our leaf and stem. Neaten it up. Now crochet the ears. First, wrap the yarn. Form a loop. Pass through, yarn over and pull through. 1 chain. After chaining, go back into this loop. Crochet a single crochet. Place a marker. Insert again. Crochet 8 single crochets. After finishing, pull tight. Do not slip stitches here. Then just chain 1 and turn. After turning, you can see a very clear row of stitches here. The edge doesn't count as a stitch. No stitches on the edge. Crochet and increase in this one. Crochet to single crochets in this one. You can place a marker on the first stitch or not, then crochet to single crochets in this one. Continue. 8 sets of single crochet increases in total. After 8 sets of increases, it looks like this. The ear is done. Leaves a long tail. Crochet 2 in total.